Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at 7 nearly perfect SUVs. Number 7. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is often hailed as a nearly perfect SUV, and for good reason. With a reliability score of 82 out of 100 from Consumer Reports, it ranks as one of the top compact SUVs, beating out 26 competitors to claim the #1 spot in its category. This vehicle is not just a pretty face. It's built on a foundation of trustworthiness, making it a favorite among families and adventure seekers alike. When it comes to performance, the Forester's all-wheel drive system is standard, ensuring that you can tackle any weather or terrain with confidence. It boasts an impressive fuel economy of 26 miles per gallon in the city and 33 on the highway, which means fewer stops at the pump and more money in your pocket. Around $30,000 for a new model feels like a bargain when you consider its longevity and efficiency. Safety is another feather in the Forester's cap. Equipped with Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology, it includes features like pre-collision braking and adaptive cruise control, providing peace of mind on every journey. It's no surprise that the Forester has consistently earned accolades for safety, including the coveted IIHS Top Safety Pick Award. In short, the Subaru Forester combines reliability, safety, and efficiency into a package that's hard to beat, making it a smart choice for anyone looking for an SUV that delivers on all fronts. Number 6. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander shines brightly in the crowded SUV market, boasting a stellar reputation for reliability and performance that makes it a favorite among American families. With a predicted reliability score of 5 out of 5 from Consumer Reports, it's no wonder that this SUV is often seen as a dependable choice for those who value peace of mind on the road. When it comes to performance, the Highlander doesn't disappoint either. It has consistently received high marks, with many models scoring around 4.8 out of 5 for performance and value. Owners rave about its smooth handling and impressive fuel efficiency, particularly in hybrid versions that can achieve up to 36 miles per gallon combined, perfect for those long family road trips without breaking the bank. In terms of cost, you are looking at a starting price around $35,000, which is competitive given its features and reliability. For families, the Highlander offers ample space and safety features that make every journey feel secure. In fact, it scores a perfect 5 out of 5 for owner satisfaction, indicating that once you are behind the wheel, you are likely to fall in love with it. So, if you are in the market for an SUV that combines reliability, performance, and value without compromising on comfort or safety, the Toyota Highlander is hard to beat. Number 5. Kia Telluride. The Kia Telluride is a standout in the SUV landscape, boasting a reliability score of 83 out of 100 from J.D. Power, which is impressive for its class. This SUV not only has the numbers to back it up, but also a reputation for being a dependable family hauler. Consumer Reports rates it with a predicted reliability of 5 out of 5, indicating that it's likely to keep you on the road rather than in the repair shop. With price starting around $37,000, the Telluride offers great value for families looking for space and comfort without breaking the bank. It has consistently received accolades from Kelley Blue Book, including their Best Buy award, which speaks volumes about its overall performance and owner satisfaction. In fact, a whopping 66% of owners rate it 5 stars, highlighting its appeal across various demographics. The Telluride's safety features are top-notch, helping to avoid costly repairs down the line. Its resale value is also noteworthy. It tends to hold its worth better than many competitors, making it a smart investment. With all these positives, it's clear why the Telluride is a favorite among families and adventurers alike. It's not just a vehicle, it's a reliable companion ready for life's adventures, without breaking the bank. Number 4. Hyundai Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade stands out in the crowded SUV market, boasting impressive reliability and performance that can make any driver feel like a superstar. Scoring an impressive 81 out of 100 in J.D. Power's reliability ratings, it's a vehicle that promises to keep you on the road rather than in the repair shop. Consumer Reports also gives it a solid 4 out of 5 for reliability, indicating that this SUV is built to last, with fewer headaches over time. When it comes to performance, the Palisade is equipped with a smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, making it a breeze to drive whether you are navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. The engine is robust enough to handle family trips and weekend getaways without breaking a sweat. And let's talk dollars. With a starting price around $35,000, it delivers excellent value for its class, especially when you consider its reliability and performance credentials. Moreover, the Palisade's safety features are top-notch, earning high praise from drivers who appreciate peace of mind on the road. With advanced safety technologies and a reputation for dependability, this SUV is not just a mode of transport, it's a reliable companion for life's adventures. So whether you are hauling kids or gear, the Hyundai Palisade proves to be a smart investment that won't let you down, unless you count those moments when you forget where you parked. Number 3. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 is like that friend who always shows up on time, brings snacks, and somehow manages to make every road trip feel like a joyride. With a reliability score hovering between 80 and 85 out of 100 from J.D. Power, this SUV has earned its stripes in the great reliability category. Consumer Reports has consistently rated it between 4.5 out of 5 for reliability since 2013, which is akin to receiving a gold star every year in school. Impressive. Under the exterior, the CX-5 offers two engine options, with the turbocharged variant producing a zippy 256 horsepower. It's not just about speed, it also boasts commendable fuel efficiency, with the base model achieving up to 31 miles per gallon on the highway. That's like getting a high five from your wallet every time you fill up. When it comes to maintenance costs, the CX-5 shines again, averaging around $447 annually, lower than many competitors in the compact SUV class. This means you can spend less time worrying about repairs and more time enjoying weekend getaways. With a severe repair probability of only 8%, you can think of it as a reliable companion that rarely needs a timeout. In summary, the Mazda CX-5 is a standout choice for those seeking an SUV that combines performance, reliability, and cost-effectiveness, all while keeping your sense of adventure intact. Number 2. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 stands out as a top-tier SUV, boasting reliability and value that make it a favorite among drivers. With a starting price around $28,000, this compact SUV offers a lot for your dollar, especially when you consider its fuel efficiency of up to 35 miles per gallon on the highway. Reliability is where the RAV4 shines like a diamond in a sea of pebbles. Consumer Reports gives it an impressive reliability score, often ranking it among the top vehicles in its class. Owners rave about its longevity, with many reporting that their RAV4s have surpassed 200,000 miles without major issues. This is not just hearsay, it's backed by data that shows Toyotas consistently hold their value, making them a smart investment. Safety features are abundant, with standard automated emergency braking and adaptive cruise control making every drive feel like a cozy blanket of security. The RAV4 also scores well in crash tests, giving peace of mind to families and commuters alike. In terms of practicality, the RAV4's spacious cargo area can swallow up to 70 cubic feet when the rear seats are down, perfect for those weekend getaways or trips to Costco. With all these positives, it's no wonder the RAV4 is often seen as the golden child of SUVs. In short, if you are looking for reliability, safety, and value wrapped in a stylish package, the RAV4 could be your next best friend on four wheels. Number 1. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V stands out as a remarkable SUV, combining practicality with reliability. With a reliability score of 82 out of 100 from J.D. Power and Consumer Reports, it's no wonder that this vehicle is a favorite among drivers. When it comes to maintenance costs, the CR-V remains budget-friendly, averaging about $407 per year. This is a small price to pay for peace of mind, especially considering that many owners report their vehicles running smoothly well past the 200,000-mile mark. The CR-V's reputation for longevity is backed by numerous anecdotes from satisfied customers who have experienced minimal issues over the years. In terms of resale value, the CR-V holds its own against competitors, often retaining around 60 to 70% of its original value after 5 years. This makes it not just a wise purchase, but also a smart investment. With its impressive fuel efficiency, some models achieving up to 30 miles per gallon, and robust performance in various driving conditions, it's easy to see why many consider it a top-tier choice in the SUV market. With its combination of stellar reliability ratings and practical features, the Honda CR-V stands tall as an SUV that not only meets expectations but often exceeds them, making every drive feel like a win. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. If you found it helpful, then make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.